So my name is Kamila Śladowska. I'm a visual artist currently based in Helsinki, but I come from Warsaw, Poland, and I came to exhibit at KIBLA artKIT to create a painting installation. And since a couple of years already I work on painting ecosystems, which consist of diverse media, and they're all kind of expressing within color, and they contain of diverse subjects related to humans' relationship to nature, or my personal relationship to ecosystems, and how I perceive ecosystems, how I try to connect to it, how we also process our food, or like about our food systems, how we forage our food, or how do we connect with nature through our food processes, but also through our interventions. And I'm widely inspired by ecofeminism, and there are also some inspirations taken from hyperfeminism, which I have gotten to know 1.5 years ago, and I find this concept very inspiring. It's a philosophy which has been created by an Australian Latin thinker, and it's about taking inspiration from water in order to fight over hierarchies in the way we function in societies or within ecosystems. And it's all about trying to be fluid, and I find it very inspiring for visual arts because everything is interconnected through water. And there is also a lot of motifs inside my exhibition which relate to women's experience within the ecosystem, women's contact with the water and with soil. There are also a lot of sensorial metaphors and also a lot of sensorial interactions with the objects inside the exhibition. So there are live elements such as herbs. There are also pepper seeds, or there are also pumpkin seeds which you can play. There is a drum which you can play with the seeds on it. You can find a uterus made of soil. Then there are also some artworks inspired by my experience of protesting, meaning climate activism, which I've been experiencing mostly in Poland during big protests of Earth Strike and other protests related not only to climate change or extinction, but also to protests for women's rights. And they somehow all interconnect, and these two communities, they do function somehow together as well. And so I've been trying to put my experiences together inside this exhibition.